Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
wabarakatuh,
Good
Sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome back to the class. How are you doing today, everybody?
I'm fine.
We are good.
You're good?
Just so.
So, nothing special.
Nothing.
All right. Well, let me see
Just
your
excited
face.
for this class.
Oh, okay, nice. I'm excited to see you too. Thank you, Rizkia. What about everybody else? Come on, I want to see your faces, guys. Turn your cameras on, please. Remember to be polite. Okay? And it's good manner to have your cameras on in an online meeting like this, because we don't know if you are sleeping or if you are, I don't know, doing something else. Okay, thank you. Let me see your faces. We have Raden, Amin, Hafiz, good. Rizkia, of course, Rizkia always is always polite. Anissa, Nurul, I don't know, Nurul. I'm feeling bored to see that Korean star on your display picture. Is that your idol, by the way? I think it must be your idol. And there's Nafis. All right, what about Sophie? Where's your face, Sophie? Enough fine? I'm also getting bored to see that anime character or whatever mobile game or something from. All right, but we gotta start, guys, okay? So let's start because it's already 2:33, I think. So today to start, I want to share a problem, guys. I have a problem. I have a problem.
What's that, sir?
Yeah, my
What the problem,
problem,
sir?
yeah, my problem is I'm always late for a meeting for my work meeting in the morning.
Oh,
I'm always late for a meeting and my boss, how do you say managur in English? How do you say managur in English?
rebucket?
And my boss reprimand. My boss has reprimanded me. And yeah, that's my big problem now. My boss has reprimanded me because I'm always late for the morning meeting. And I usually have a meeting in the morning, by the way, with my boss. So yeah, so what's your suggestion, guys? Help me, give me some suggestion. What is suggestion, by the way?
Saran,
Very good.
Pendapat, pendapat.
Yes.
I
I
think
Advice. Yes,
you
what?
should I think you should set alarm on your phone.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, earlier as I remember, sir.
All right, so let me write it down. So Rizkia, thanks. I
Alarm or reminder.
should set alarm. Set an alarm or reminder. Thank you. But you know what the problem is, Rizkia? I already did. I set an alarm, but I didn't hear it. I I keep oversleeping, you know. I didn't hear the alarm.
Y-
So, any other suggestion? Any other advice, please?
Did you wake up late, sir?
Yes, I'm late because I wake up late. So, what's your suggestion, please?
You should go to bed early.
Okay, so Rizkia thinks I shouldn't stay up late, Rizkia, correct? And go to bed
Maxi
early.
maximum at 10 o'clock, sir.
Okay, Anwar, thank you. But the problem is, remember, I have insomnia. I
Oh,
cannot go to bed early.
You can stay in meeting room, sir.
Stay where?
In meeting room.
What?
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Stay in the waiting room, Raden. So Raden thinks I should be in the meeting room, yeah, every time. Okay, I'll write it down because it's a funny suggestion. I should be in the meeting room all the time. The whole time. What does it mean? I should be in the meeting room the whole time.
Setiap waktu.
Yeah. Which is not very practical, Raden, because the meeting room is only open for work in the work hours, not after we go home. So, what should I do? Anybody else? Do you have any other suggestion? No?
Drinks before you sleep.
I
Drink
should
milk before.
I should drink milk. Okay. But that is childish, Anwar. It's like a baby. I'm not,
So
I'm not a
people
baby.
say you drink milk before you sleep. Make your ngantuk apa?
Sleepy.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Good.
And then I think you should
You should what?
order your friend maybe to wake you up.
Or take a shower.
Yeah, but but my room is locked, Rizkia. My friend cannot enter my room, remember?
Ah,
If they call me, I don't hear the telephone. I don't hear anything. It's so difficult for me to wake up.
that's really a problem.
It is a big problem, and I don't know what to do. So please pray for me, okay? Pray for the solution for my problem. Okay, well, thank you. I hope I can solve this problem, yeah, find a way. But anyway,
Bersabar, Sir.
what
Sabar
is
apa,
it?
Sir?
Be
Sabar apa?
patient. Patient.
Stay patient, Sir.
Okay, be patient. Okay. But I wish I could do something more, you know. But I'll look for a solution. Thank you very much, guys, for your advice, yeah, for your suggestion. So what is this? These are
Suggestion.
suggestion. So what do you use? Look at this, guys. What do you use when you want
Short.
to
Short.
give suggestion? We
Yeah.
use
Short, slogan.
should. That's right.
Should.
So we use should when we want to talk about suggestion or advice.
Nice.
Saran.
That's right. So how do you translate this into Bahasa? What is should in Bahasa?
Sebaiknya. Sebaiknya sih.
Seharusnya.
Yeah,
Harus baiknya.
exactly. So should means sebaiknya. And should is also modal verb, guys. So today we will learn more modal verb. And this time it's about should. Okay. So first, let's practice the pronunciation. How do you pronounce it?
Should.
Should. Okay. Everybody repeat. Should.
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 No L. No L. Okay. No L.
Should.
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 Should. Should.
Should.
Yeah.
Should. Should and should.
Yes, just like should. That's right. Like shooting a gun or shooting an arrow, shooting a ball. So the pronunciation is the same. Yeah.
Should.
Yep.
Should.
So when do we use should? We use should when we want to give suggestion, advice. And what comes after should? We use
Infinitive or verb one.
infinitive or verb one. For example, do, stop, go, watch, be, see, sleep, study, etc. Okay. So that's what you use after should. And what if it's negative? We use not and we combine it, becoming
Shouldn't.
Shouldn't.
shouldn't. Everybody shouldn't.
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 Very good. Shouldn't. For example, Jimmy, can you read the example, please?
You shouldn't watch
Ah,
TV.
Jimmy, listen, Jimmy. Shouldn't.
Shouldn't.
Yes, repeat.
You shouldn't watch TV so much.
What does it mean, Jimmy?
Kamu itu kalau shouldn't itu apa artinya, Sir?
Should means
Kamu
sebaiknya.
sebaiknya tidak
Oh,
menonton TV
shouldn't
terlalu
sebaiknya
lama.
tidak.
Oh,
Kamu
Okay,
seharusnya tidak terlalu lama,
menonton
terlalu banyak
TV.
menonton film.
that's right. Okay, so that's what it means, Jimmy.
Shouldn't.
No L, Jimmy, no L. Shouldn't.
Shouldn't.
Yes, shouldn't.
Shouldn't.
Okay, so remember, should means it's a good thing to do, yeah? So that's why we usually use it to talk about suggestion or recommendation or because it's a good thing to do. Okay, Miss Ran, the background is very noisy. I will mute you for now, Miss Ran. Yeah, you can unmute later when you want to talk. Okay, so
Kenapa
it's a
kakak?
good thing to do. Oh, why is it not muted?
What, sir?
But please mute if you're not talking because the background noise is disturbing. Okay?
Sorry, sir. My laptop tidak bisa dipencet nih.
Yes, I don't know why. Your laptop,
Takang, sir.
me too. I can't mute you. Something is
Itu kunci.
weird about your laptop.
Sorry, sir. Problem nih.
Okay. Yeah, I cannot mute you. I don't know why. What happened? Okay. Please just don't be noisy. Don't be noisy in the background, all right?
Oke, sir.
Okay, thank you. But I'm curious. Hold on. Let me try to unmute Jimmy. Jimmy, can you speak now, Jimmy? Jimmy. Hello, Jimmy. Okay. Raden, can you speak, Raden?
I can, sir.
Okay, wait. I will try to mute you. Yeah, I can mute you, right? But I don't know why, Miss Ran, I cannot mute him.
Maybe he host, sir, maybe.
He's what?
Host.
He's a host? No, he's not a host. I am the host. Something is wrong with Miss Ran's laptop, but it's okay. Miss Ran, don't be noisy, okay? Because you will the noise will disturb the class. Okay, so continue. So should is something good, something right to do, okay? For example, Rizkia, can you read the example there, please?
I'm so sorry for the noise because my neighbor.
No, it's okay, no problem. We can hear you fine. Go.
Tom doesn't study enough. He should study harder.
What does it mean?
Men. Kenapa
What
kamu
does it
laptop
mean?
kok udah mau dicicip?
Rizkia, what does it mean, Rizkia?
Oh, Tom tidak belajar yang cukup. Dia seharusnya sebaiknya belajar lebih keras.
Very good, that's right. Miss Ran,
Sorry, sir, ini laptopnya masih nggak bisa dipencet nih.
what about you rejoin, Miss Ran? Maybe
Sir.
after you rejoin, it will fix the problem.
Masih
Sir.
nggak bisa juga, sir.
Yeah, rejoin. Go out and then go in again. Enter again. Okay?
Nggak bisa, sir, di-reset nggak bisa.
Okay, I will remove you and then you click the link in the group to join again, okay?
He's out.
Oh, he's out. Okay. Something's wrong with his laptop. That's really weird. This is the first time I find that kind of error. Okay. So that's what the example means. Now look at the negative example. So if it's negative, that means it's not good to do, okay? For example, Amin, can you read the example, please?
Tom shouldn't go to bed so late.
What does it mean?
Tom seharusnya tidak pergi. Tom seharusnya tidak pergi tidur terlalu lambat.
Very good. Yes, that's correct. So shouldn't, yeah. Okay, next. We often use I think when we give advice or suggestion with should. Okay, so we usually combine it with I think. Just like the example before that Rizkia gave me. She said, I think you should set an alarm, for example. Yeah. And then we also use it in question, like, do you think I should buy this hat? What does it mean, Anwar?
Apa kamu pikir aku harus membeli topi ini?
Yes, very good. So, do you think I should buy this hat? So, pay attention to the intonation. Do you think I should buy this hat? Everybody repeat.
Do you think
Do
I
you
should
think
buy
I
this
should
hat?
buy this hat?
I should buy this hat.
this hat.
Very good. Very good. And you can also use the negative if you think it's not a good thing to do, right? Like, I don't think you should work so hard. I don't think we should go. Okay, so there you go. That's about should, guys. It's very simple. Any questions?
All
Clear?
good.
Okay, if all is clear, all's good, then let's practice now. Oh, wait, there is more. Hold on. Okay, so before we practice, look at this. So, should means sebaiknya, right? Or seharusnya. What about must? What does must mean again? We learned about
Harus.
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 so this is harus, and this is
Sebaiknya.
seharusnya or sebaiknya.
Sebaiknya.
So what is the difference? What is the difference between must and should?
Should maybe more polite.
More polite. Oh, okay, yes, you can say so, but that's not the main difference.
Should may to do or not, but must is must.
Yes,
What to do?
that's right. It's a must. All right. So must is stronger. What is stronger?
Lebih kuat.
Lebih
Lebih
kuat,
kuat.
Lebih kuat.
Yeah, so it's more urgent, more important, more necessary to do. Okay. For example, you must study before an exam. Which one is better? Or which one is correct? You must study before an exam, or you should study before an exam?
You must.
Yeah. So, because it's strong, it's a strong situation, right? So so you need to be more, intense, and that's why we should use must. Okay, you must study before an exam. And then there's another modal verb, which is called ought to. Ought to. Everybody, ought to.
Ought
Ought
to.
to. So ought to
To.
is a synonym of should. Do you know synonym? What is synonym?
Persamaan.
Persamaan.
That's right.
Persamaan.
Persamaan.
So ought to is a synonym of should, but ought to is not very common anymore. It's obsolete. We don't use it anymore. It's too formal, and people don't speak with ought to nowadays. Yeah, so now we only use should. But if you see ought to, maybe from old books or old movies, old material, then you need to remember ought to means should. Yeah, they are the same. It's a synonym. Okay, now time to practice, guys. The first one, Anissa. Look at number one, Anissa. This is the example. Complete the sentence using should and the verb in the list. So when you play tennis, you should watch the ball. What about number two, Anissa? What do you think?
It is flat and you very tired.
Tired. You should.
You should go to bed.
Very good. You should go to bed. Don't say you should eat to bed. Yeah, because you don't eat the bed. You go to bed. Choose the next friend for number three, Anissa, as usual.
Anwar,
Anwar,
Sir.
number three.
Okay. You should eat plenty of fruit and vegetables.
Vegetables, Anwar. Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Very good. Choose the next friend.
Jimmy.
Jimmy, go. Number four, Jimmy.
Ayo hati.
If you have time, jika kamu punya waktu,
White share.
you should.
Nomor 4. So you should
Should.
you should
Yes,
visit
is it. Very good. Choose the next friend.
Taufik.
Okay, Sophie, go.
Jimmy. Yes, sir. When
You should.
number 5, when you're driving, you should wear a seat belt.
Very good. Choose the next friend for number 6.
Raden, sir.
Raden, go.
It's too far for to walk from here to the station. You should take a taxi.
Very good. You should take a taxi. And by the way, this is the pronunciation is here. Can you repeat, Raden? Here. Here.
From here.
Yeah, here.
Here.
Yeah, so not hair, but here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You now choose the next friend to do this second exercise, Raden. Who do you choose?
Amin, sir.
Amin, look at number 2. What advice or what suggestion with shouldn't?
He should
Shouldn't.
shouldn't
Very good.
eat too much.
Very good. Now choose the next friend for number 3, please.
Irfan Nafis.
Okay, Irfan Nafis, go.
She shouldn't work so hard.
Very good. She shouldn't work so hard. Choose the next friend for number 4, please. Hafiz, go.
Yes, sir. Number 4, he shouldn't drive so fast.
Okay, don't forget no L. Okay, so he shouldn't.
Shouldn't.
No L.
Shouldn't.
Yeah.
Shouldn't.
He shouldn't drive
So fast. Too fast.
too fast. Very good. Good job. Let's see the next practice. What do we have this time? You need to complete, you need to write sentences like the example number 2 and number 1 and 2. So we have to get up early tomorrow. What does it mean? What does it mean? We have to get up early tomorrow.
Kita harus
Kita harus bangun lebih cepat besok.
So I think we should go home now. What does it mean?
Aku pikir kita harus pulang sekarang.
Very good. So, and then the second example, that coat is too big for you. Coat means jacket, yeah.
Mantel, oh.
mantel or jacket is too big for you. I don't think you should buy it. So what about number 3? Who do you choose for the next friend? Who was the last one? Hafiz, yeah. Hafiz, who do you choose for number 3, Hafiz?
Nurul, sir.
Okay, Nurul, go. Number 3, Nurul.
Yes, sir. I think you should sell your car.
Very good. I think you should sell your car. Choose the next friend. Nurul, who do you choose? Who do you choose, Nurul? Nurul. Okay, Nurul is...
What, sir?
Yes, Nurul. I didn't hear you, Nurul. Who do you choose? Okay, Rizkia. Continue, Rizkia.
Karen needs a rest. I think she should have a holiday.
Think she should
Have a holiday.
have a holiday. Very good. So always use verb 1, even though the subject is she or he or it. The verb after should is always verb 1 only, yeah? Infinitive. Choose the next friend for number 5, Rizkia.
Anwar,
Anwar, go.
Sarah and Dan are too young. I think they don't. I don't think they shouldn't get married.
So if you think
Shouldn't.
if you think they shouldn't get married, that means you think they should get married. Because it's double negative, so it becomes positive, right?
Okay.
Only should.
Yeah.
Just shouldn't. Just shouldn't.
That's huh? Just
I,
shouldn't?
just don't. Just don't.
Just don't.
Just don't.
Relax.
Choose the next friend, please.
Jimmy.
Jimmy, number 6.
You're not well this morning. I don't think you should go to work.
Very good, Jimmy. Choose the next friend, Jimmy.
Siapa lagi yang belum?
I think Anissa hasn't been called.
Anissa,
Yeah.
yeah.
Anissa, number 7.
Okay, sir. James isn't well today.
James. Anissa James.
James
Mhm.
isn't well today.
Mhm.
I think he should go to the doctor.
Sean? Did you say Sean?
Sean
Sean? What is Sean?
Should, yeah.
Should.
should
Okay.
go to the doctor.
Go to the doctor. Very good, Anissa. Just the last one, Anissa.
Rahmi, sir.
Okay, Rami. But I think I didn't see Rami today. Is Rami here?
Not here.
No, Rami is not here.
Not here.
Apan.
Okay, have fun. Number 8.
The hotel is too expensive for us. I don't think we should stay here. Sir.
Okay, I don't think we should stay there. Good job, guys. Good job. I think you understand this well, and now you are ready to share your problems and give advice to each other. Okay, so I will send you to breakout rooms, and then I want you to ask your friend, what's your problem? And then I want you to give advice to your friends. Okay, for example, okay, I mean that's too bad. What about Miss Ran joins with the same laptop, but Ask him to find a quiet place. I mean, can you tell him that? So just enter the Zoom with the same laptop, but find a quiet place. Okay, so I want to give you an example. So I'm gonna ask Nafis. Nafis, hello.
Hello, sir.
What's your problem, Nafis? I will give you advice. Mhm.
I think
Nafis, what's your problem?
insomnia.
Ah, insomnia. Okay. I think you should. I think you should try drinking chamomile tea. Do you know chamomile tea, Nafis? Yeah. So
No, Mister.
there is. You can Google it. There is chamomile tea, and you can buy this in the market. And this tea can help you to sleep faster. Okay. This is
Okay.
what I'm trying because we have the same problem. I'm also, insomniac. So I try drinking chamomile tea. Okay, now your turn. Nafis, ask me what's my problem. Ask me, Nafis. Nafis, ask me, please. What's my problem?
I think
Oh, ask me. What's your problem? Ask me. Ask me.
tanya sir, Pes. What your problem, sir?
Okay, my problem is I can't stop smoking. What should I do? What should I do, Nafis? Give me some advice, please. Give me advice. I can't stop smoking. What should I do?
I think you should
Anda betul ini.
What? Jimmy?
Permen apa sih permen?
Candy.
Ya,
So you think
ganti
you
permen,
should
ganti permen.
Yes, replacing it with candy.
replace it with candy. So Jimmy thinks I should replace cigarette with
Candy.
candy. Okay, thank you, Jimmy. I will try it. Okay, like that, guys. That's the example. Clear?
clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay, now get ready to join your rooms. Don't forget to speak up, be active, okay? And I will give you 10 minutes. So share one by one, take turns, and give advice for your friends. Here we go.
For
Problem is,
you should food
so what
is
my
beyond
problem is my eating time or pattern is irregular. So sometimes I just eat maybe one time a day or maybe twice because I'm very lazy to eat. So
Well,
what should I do?
for my advice, you should eat food that is sweet for your tummy.
Sweet food?
Yes.
What's
Or
the example? Sweet food. Sweet
for
food. Sweet food.
the martabak ya. Roti bakar lah apa ya? Roti bakar.
Makan.
Maybe roti bakar.
So I shouldn't eat rice?
No spread. No spread.
Hafiz,
Yes, you have Hafiz, you have
I
to learn is slowly. Learn you have to learn to sing slowly, maybe.
yes,
Okay.
Hafiz. I think so. You study singing slowly.
You
Miss ada,
have
share ada coy.
to
Okay.
learn to sing slowly.
Hafiz,
Yes.
you should listen to song
Sorry,
often
sir.
instruction.
I smoke, sir.
Okay. How the
Eh,
next?
you have now. You should. Right.
Guys, I have a lot. I have a lot of problem.
Just please explain to us this one.
Just share one, Jimmy. Don't share all of your problems. Just one.
Satu.
No problem.
With seseorang, dengan seseorang, sir.
Oh, you have a love.
With anyone,
1%.
someone, one person,
Some person.
A
or
girl. Yeah.
some people.
People more than
Some
3
people
Oh
seseorang.
yes, more than.
person.
Percent. Only one.
Person 1%, Dexter.
Yes.
Yes. Apa pendapat kalian?
What the problem, Jimmy?
What's the problem?
Girlfriend.
Did she,
Teman.
how do you say menolak in English? Did she reject you?
Jangan aja. Apa maksudnya itu, sir?
Did she reject you?
Tunggu, sir. Menolak.
Did she reject your love?
No.
Oh,
Nice.
no.
Ganti aja masalahnya. Ganti aja.
Jimmy not enough fulus.
No.
Continue.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Apan. Okay. I have a problem sleeping late. I think you should drink warm milk or tea to help you relax before sleeping.
Amen. I have a problem. I have a problem with my stomach. I suffer from chronic stomach ulcers. Give me advice.
Okay, I don't think you should skip meal as in can make your stomach problem worse.
Thank you, Avan.
Okay, is everybody back? Not yet, yeah. Let's wait.
Not yet.
Yeah, let's wait for the others, and then I want to hear what.
Only 4, sir. Only 4.
Okay, now they are getting back. So
Kalian slowly. Belajar secara perlahan.
Amin.
okay, everybody's back. All right, now I want you to report your friend's problem and your advice. Okay. So let's start from room 1. Rizkia, report one of your friend's problems and your advice, please.
Okay. Nurul's problem is she has a stomach acid, which always recurs all the time.
I
And then
think should.
we advise her
Slowly singing.
Jimmy, please don't be noisy, Jimmy, when your friend is speaking.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. Forget
Yeah, you
mematikan
forgot,
mic-nya.
yes, you forgot to mute yourself. Okay, repeat, please, Rizky.
Okay, Nurul's problem is she has stomach acid, which always recurs all the time.
Mhm.
And then we advise her that we don't think she should eat sour food or dessert.
Yeah. Okay, good.
And yeah,
Good
also spicy
advice.
food.
Good advice. Thank you, Rizky. Room 2, I want to hear from Hafiz. Report, please, Hafiz.
Yes, sir. Uh, about problem Khairul Anwar, sir.
About Hairul Anwar's problem.
Okay, sir. He has had problem with his teeth.
Okay,
My
today.
my suggest is I think you should go to a doctor for check your teeth.
Okay, don't forget, if you use for, you must use for being. If you want to use verb one, you say to check.
Yes, sir.
He should go to the doctor to check.
To check.
Yes, that's right. Good advice, Hafiz. Thank you. Room 3, I want to hear from Sophie.
Yes, sir. About problems.
Okay, Amin's problem.
Amin has a problem. My muscles feel sore after exercise.
My or his? My
Huh?
problem or his problem?
His problem, sir.
Yes, his problem.
And I advise him should warm up before exercises, maybe.
He should what?
Warm up.
Should warm
Pan-
up before exercise. Thank you, Sophie. Okay, and that's it, guys. Good job. Good job. So now, what about Jimmy's problem? Jimmy, what's your problem, Jimmy? Share your problem.
Okay, sir. Hafiz problem. Can't to
No, no, no,
sing.
no, no, no. Your problem, not your friend's problem. Your problem.
Spesial deh,
Waduh.
sir.
I want to hear your problem, Jimmy. Come on, share your problem, please.
Oke, sir.
Uh-huh.
Istrinya, Pak.
Why?
Wife. I am problem with wife.
Oh,
Sir.
okay, Jimmy.
Are you married, Jimmy?
Are you married?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Yes, I have marriage, sir.
I didn't know that. I thought you're still single. Okay, so Jimmy has a problem with his wife. What's your problem with your wife, Jimmy?
Wah, kenapa makan dikasih tahu masalahnya?
What's your problem with your wife? Come on, share. I will give you a solution. Don't worry.
No, no.
Oh ya ya. Masalah money, sir.
Oh, money. I
Problem
see.
money.
Okay. So Jimmy's wife complains about money. Yeah.
Oh no no, sir.
Oh, no?
Smoke.
Oh,
Whip berhenti merokok, jar. Whip
complains
menyuruh
about
berhenti merokok. Tapi
Jimmy's
I
smoking.
tidak mau.
Okay, so Jimmy's wife complains about Jimmy smoking, guys.
Yes.
What should Jimmy do, guys? What should Jimmy do?
I don't think Jimmy should smoking now.
Yeah, don't forget verb one and what?
Oh, okay. Smoke.
Yes, I don't think Jimmy should smoke. Yes, I think you should stop, Jimmy. I don't think Jimmy should smoke. So I think you should stop and save your money, Jimmy. Okay. Uh, and you are a husband, right? You have to how do you say memberikan contoh yang baik in English? You have to give a good
Good manner.
Good
manner, yes, or good model or example
Good example.
for your family.
Wih, family, keluarga. Oke, sir.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and okay, now look at this, guys. So what is this? Look, what is this word here? What does it mean?
Kamu
Have
harus
to.
memberi.
Yeah,
Harus.
Harus.
So what about must? What is must?
Kamu harus memberi.
Very good. Must means harus, right?
Sam,
And
Memberi
have
contoh.
to is
Synonym.
synonym, sir.
Synonym.
Are they synonym?
Yes.
Synonym.
They are
Sama-sama
synonym,
Meaning.
but there is a little difference. Ada perbedaan
Ah.
sedikit.
adjective.
What
Okay.
different?
More polite.
No,
Oh,
it's not more polite. Have to is stronger than must. Okay, so let's study that. Let's learn about have to. What is the difference between have to and must? Okay, here we go. Look at this, the example here. Can you read the example, please, Raden?
This is my medicine. I have to take it 3 times a day.
All right, what does it mean? Can you translate it?
Ini obat saya, obat milik saya. Saya harus saya harus memakai 3 kali sehari.
Meminum, mengkonsumsi, okay.
Meminumnya jangan dipakai betul.
Yeah, you don't use medicine, you take it. So repeat, Sophie.
Yes, sir. This is
Raden.
Saya harus mengonsumsi ini dalam 3 kali satu hari.
Very good. So what do you think about taking a medicine? Is it something you like?
No.
No, right? Nobody likes taking medicine, but is it important? Is it necessary to do?
Yes.
Important.
Yeah, so necessary, remember, means
Perlu.
important. Yeah. So guys, that's what have to means, all right? Itu makna dari have to. It is something important and you are obliged to do. That's the key word. What is obliged?
Berkewajiban.
Yes, there you go. So have
Diharuskan.
to is when we talk about this, okay? When we talk about obligation or kewajiban, different from must. Must is like a strong motivation usually from inside ourselves. Have to is from outside, maybe from situation or from our boss or from the the authority. So that's the difference. Okay. Here's another example. Can you read it, please, Irfan?
I'll be late for work tomorrow. I have to go to the dentist.
Very good. What does it mean?
Saya akan terlambat ke kantor besok. Saya harus pergi ke dokter gigi.
Very good. So you see, it's obligation, all right? It's from outside. It's from the doctor, all right? Not from your personal strong motivation, okay? Another example, please. Can you read it, Anissa?
Jen start work at 7 o'clock.
So
She has to get up at 5.
that's 6.
6.
6.
6.
Okay, what does it mean, Anissa?
Jen memulai bekerja pukul 7.
So
jadi dia harus bangun pukul 6.
That's right. So it's something from the situation, external situation, not from your internal motivation. Yeah. So that's why we use has to. And look, why we use has? Why not have? Why has, guys?
If
She.
Because she.
because
She.
he
She.
and it use has.
That's right. So the partner for he, she, it is has. Yeah, don't use have. And what about if it's in the past? If it's in the past, can we use have and has? No, we use
Had to.
yeah. I hope you still remember. So must in the past also had to, right? If you remember our lesson before. So have to and must in the past is the same. We use had to. For example, Jimmy, can you read it, please? Jimmy? Is Jimmy here?
I was late for work yesterday. I had to go to the dentist.
What does it mean?
Aku terlambat kerja kemarin.
Very good.
Aku harus pergi ke dokter gigi.
That's right. So you see, because this is yesterday, so we use had to. Okay.
Destination.
All right. Now, so what about in negative? What is the negative of have to? The negative of have to is we use don't have to. Or if the subject he, she, it, we use doesn't have to. What is the meaning of don't have to?
Tidak harus.
Tidak
Tidak
harus.
harus.
So it's same with don't need to, yeah. Same with don't need to. If you still remember about don't need to, it's the same. So it's something optional. If you do it, okay. If you don't do it, no problem. What about if it's a question? How do you say, apakah kamu harus pergi? For example, we say,
Do you have
do
to
you have
go?
to go? That's right. Apakah aku harus mengalah in English? Yeah, like a song,
Do
yeah.
I have to?
Do I have to?
What's mengalah?
Do I have to lose? Or do I have to oh yeah, what is mengalah in English?
Back down.
Back down. Do you have to back down?
Do I have to back down?
Do I have to back down? Okay, very good. All right, so that's the question. Now, if it's in the past, what do we change in the past? Do we change the have to or do we change the do? We change the do
Did.
becoming did.
Past.
Yeah, becoming did. Same with negative. We don't change the have to, but we change the do, becoming didn't. Yeah, so don't becomes didn't, doesn't becomes didn't. For example, can you read it, please, Hafiz?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
I am not working tomorrow, so I don't have to get up early.
What does it mean?
Saya tidak pergi kerja besok.
Mhm.
Terus saya tidak perlu bangun pagi.
Very
I'm not working tomorrow, so I don't have to get up early.
excellent. Okay, thank you. And what about the question here? Can you please read it? Wow, it's being heavily there, yeah, Sophie, I can hear it. I want to hear from Nurul. Nurul, can you read the example question there, Nurul?
Why did they have to leave the party early?
What does it mean?
Mengapa mereka harus meninggalkan pesta lebih awal?
Very good. And this is in the past, yeah? That's why we use did. Okay, good job. Next. So this is what we talked about before. So what's the difference between must and have to? The difference is when you when it's not personal, you just have to, okay? So must is personal. Something from inside ourselves, okay? Must is personal. So if it's not personal, we use have to. Okay? Yeah. But the meaning is the same. The meaning is similar. Both means harus, yeah. All right. Okay. Okay, I hope that's clear. Now let's practice. Let's start from Anwar. Anwar, please do number 2, like the example number 1.
At the end of the course, all, all the students have not have but uh,
Have to?
have to read
Have to read
a
a test.
no, have to do a test.
Very good. Good job. Have to do a test. Choose the next friend.
Afan,
Okay, Alpha, number 3.
Sarah is studying literature. She have to.
Don't forget, Alpha, if the subject she, he, it,
He has to.
use has.
She has to read.
Very good. A lot of books. Choose the next for number 4. Alpha.
Amin.
Number 4, please.
Albert doesn't understand much English. You have to speak very slowly to him.
Good job. Amin. Choose the next.
Hafiz.
Hafiz, go. Number 5.
Yes, sir. Cat is often away from home. She has to travel a lot in her job.
She has to travel a lot for her job. Good job.
Yep.
Hafiz, choose the next for number 6.
Jimmy, sir.
Jimmy, 6.
Yes, sir. In tennis, you have to hit the ball over the net.
That's right, Jimmy. Good job. Thank you very much. Choose the next for the next question, please, Jimmy.
Raden Kaisti.
Okay, Raden. Raden, look at the example number 1. Yeah, so I want you to write sentence with don't, doesn't, didn't have to, just like the example number 1. So what do you think?
I think she didn't have
She doesn't have to.
when the sentence yes.
She doesn't have to. Very good. Choose the next friend.
Sophie.
Sophie.
Yes, sir. Why did you get up early? You didn't have to get up early.
Very good, Sophie. Choose the next one.
Afan, sir.
Afan, number 4.
Why is Paul working so hard? Why? I don't know. So,
You don't know?
He
Anybody can help? Can anybody help?
Doesn't, sir.
He doesn't
Have to work so hard.
to work so hard.
So hard.
So why is Paul working so hard? Kenapa Paul bekerja sangat keras? He doesn't have to work so hard. Dia tidak perlu bekerja sangat keras. Choose the next friend for number 5, Afan. Who do you choose, Afan?
okay. Raden.
Okay, Raden again. Okay, Raden. Raden or who? Who did you ask?
Raden Tambit.
Okay, Raden.
I, sir.
We don't
Oh,
do
Wih,
it now.
Misran.
Misran.
Yeah, Misran. Because
Misran. Misran.
Why
welcome
do
back.
you want to leave now? We don't have to leave now.
We don't have to leave now.
Leave now.
Yes, we don't have to leave now. All right, good. And you fix your laptop, Misran. Good.
Yes, I can join in the class again.
Yes. Okay, good job, good job. All right, now Misran, choose the next friend.
Jimmy.
All right, Jimmy, look at this, Jimmy. You must choose which one is correct. Must or have to. And remember, must is personal and have to is from external, yeah, from authority, usually from outside. Okay, so obligation, yeah. So let's see. Number 3. Oh yeah, sometimes must and have to are both correct. Kadang kedua-duanya benar, but sometimes only one is correct. So what do you think for number 3, Jimmy? Is it must or have to?
You have to pay, sir.
You have to pay because it's obligation from outside, yeah? From the authority, from the police maybe, or from the boss, or from the people, from other people, yeah? Okay, choose the next friend for number 4.
I'm sir.
Yeah, you. Who do you choose?
Oh, iya. Siapa yo? Muhammad Irfan Nafis.
Okay, Irfan. Must borrow or had to borrow?
Had to borrow
Why, Irfan? Why, Irfan?
because obligation from onsite.
Okay, but there is another reason. Ada alasan lain. Because it's in the
Didn't
Negative.
get
Pass.
in the
Tadi malam.
past. Remember, in the past only had to. Yeah, must is now. You cannot use must in the past. So always had to in the past. Okay. Choose the next friend for number 5. Irfan, who do you choose?
Anissa.
Anissa, I must stop or I have to stop? Anissa.
Yes. But are correct mungkin, sir?
Very good. Both are correct. Dua-duanya benar. So you can say I must stop. You can say I have to stop. Both are correct. Okay, choose the next for number 6.
Amin, sir.
Amin. What's the answer, number 6, Amin?
Paul is in hurry. He has to meet
He has
somebody in
to
5
meet
minutes.
somebody in 5 minutes. Okay, good. Choose the last one.
Rizkia.
Rizkia, number 7.
What's wrong? You must tell me. I want to help you.
Okay, good. You must tell me. I want to help you. Okay, now time for speaking, and this time we're gonna play some role play. What is role play, guys?
Peraturan bermain.
Permainan peran, ya. So I want you to do a role play. Imagine you and your friends are new roommates in Australia. What is roommates?
Teman sekamar.
Yeah. So roommates means teman sekamar or teman sekontrakan, ya. So imagine you live together in Australia, and of course you must have rules in your apartment together, right? What is rules?
Persyaratan.
Peraturan. Okay. So I want you to make 4 rules in your apartment together. And 1 rule with have to, 1 rule with mustn't, 1 rule with don't have to, and 1 rule with must. Like this example here, okay? Like, we have to clean the kitchen every day. What does it mean?
Kita harus membersihkan dapur setiap hari.
Yes. You mustn't play loud music at night. What does it mean?
Kami tidak harus bermain
tidak
terlalu
boleh
Muter musik saat malam hari.
malam hari.
Very good. We don't have to buy separate cleaning supplies. What does it mean?
Kita tidak perlu membeli
Bersih.
perlengkapan bersih-bersih secara terpisah.
Very good. And the last one, you must take out the trash on your day. What does it mean?
Harus buang sampah pada hari itu juga.
Very good. So now I will send you to your breakout rooms and I want you to make rules together with your partners. Clear? Clear? Okay. Now
sir.
get ready to join with your roommates. Get ready to join with your roommates, okay? And go.
Others privacy and special
Personal space. Personal space.
personal space.
Yeah.
And then
And your
Sorry everyone. I have a network problem because raining.
Okay, no problem, Miss Ran.
it's okay, Miss Ran. We have to respect our other privacy and personal
I not
space.
here.
Okay, Miss Ran.
And then we
You
have to
must then-
tidy our bed every morning after waking up.
Our is other.
Number 1. Guess number 1.
We have what?
Rule number 4. Rule number 4.
Yes, we have to clean our with each other.
To make two.
Have to.
And what? Yeah.
One.
And we have to clean the kitchen after using it.
Thanks, I'll ask. Make.
Yeah.
No.
We have to clean the kitchen after you using it.
Jangan masuk.
Number 1, we have to make food together. Number 2, we mustn't smoking in the room. Number 3, we don't have to buy food in the morning. Last, you must wash your clothes every day.
Itu ya ada kata kerjanya.
Ya kalau udah.
You must wash. Must wash masuk lah.
Yang pertama tuh have to, yang kedua mustn't, yang ketiga don't have to, yang terakhir must.
We have number 1, we have to cook according to our spec school days.
How about Nurul?
Number two, we don't have to fight among friends. How about you, Amin?
Right, number one, we have to maybe praying together.
Verb one, I mean, remember, verb one.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
We have
We
to,
have to pray together.
yes.
Oh, yes.
Every
How
time.
about, how about you, Nurul? Hello, Nurul?
Nurul, I not here.
Yeah,
We
more.
have done, sir.
We have done.
We have done, sir.
You still have 3 minutes. Add more rules. Make more rules.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you must buat peraturan apa tuh membuang sampahmu tuh.
Why is nobody speaking here?
Already, sir. Just for rules.
You still have time. Add more rules. Make more rules.
I think one person have two rules, guys.
Make more, yes.
I can hear you, sir.
Make more rules. You still have time.
Okay, sir. Number five.
Aku ada mention.
Kamu
We
sudah siap?
already, sir. We finish.
Finish here. Finish
Finish,
here.
sir.
Make more rules.
Yes, sir. Number one, we have to make food together. Number two,
You mustn't
done
smoking
smoking.
in the room.
Verb one, after must, we always use verb one. Remember.
What, sir?
Oh, smoke. Yes, smoke.
Use verb one. No smoking. Smoke. You mustn't smoke.
Only smoke, sir.
Yes, no ing, because after must we use verb one.
Number three, we don't have to buy food in the morning. All right, sir.
Yep.
The last, you must wash your clothes every day. Right. Sir.
Clothes, not clothes, but clothes.
Yes, sir. Clothes.
Yes, clothes.
Clothes.
Very good. Let's go back to the main room and get ready to share to the class. Okay, about your.
Kampi, tulis pilah. Share ka na.
Sudah.
Okay, let's wait until everybody's back. Okay, everybody's back?
Back, sir. Not yet.
Habis lagi, sir. Belum.
Yeah.
Already habis.
I'm here. Why looking for me?
Kira
Sorry,
tadi jadi
connection did na.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I think everybody's back. So now I want every group to share their rules in their apartment together. Okay, so starting from group 1, Afan, Misran, and Rizkia, please present your rules together. Go.
Open first. We mustn't leave dirty clothes on the floor.
Okay.
And then we have to respect others' privacy and personal space.
Very good.
And then we don't have to cook separate meals. We can eat together.
Wow, nice. And then
we must we must remind each other if we did mistake.
wow, very good, very good.
And then we have to tidy our own bed every morning.
Of course, don't ask your friend to tidy your bed.
Yes. We mustn't make noises in the room.
Very good.
What else? Open, Miss Ran. You say it again.
That's it. Is that all?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, good job, group 1. Those are nice rules. Applause for group 1.
Thank you.
All right, now group 2, we have Raden, Anwar, and I don't know who else, maybe Anissa.
Yes,
Please,
Anissa, sir.
yeah, please present your rules together.
Our rules together.
Number 1.
We must ask permission before using other people's things.
Very good.
And we must not throw rubbish seriously.
Very good.
And we have to clean our with each other.
Kitchen.
We have to clean the kitchen after using it.
Very good.
And we must not to buy something is useless.
We mustn't
To buy some. Yes.
Remember, Anwar, after mustn't, what verb do we use?
1.
Verb 1. Do we use to or not to?
Not to.
So, can you repeat, please?
We must not to buy something is used.
Why do you still use to?
We must not buy.
We mustn't. Mustn't is already not, so no double not. Can you?
What? This is Anissa answer, sir.
Yeah, but use the correct grammar. We mustn't buy.
We mustn't buy something useless.
Yes, that's right.
And we don't have we have to have a clean schedule.
Very good.
Yes, and for the last already, sir.
Okay, good job, group 2. Give applause for group 2. Raden, Anwar, and Anissa. Well done.
Thank you.
Now, let's go to group 3. We have Jimmy, Sophie, and Hafiz. Please present your rules.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sophie,
Hello. Yes, hello everyone. Listening to me. We are from group 3.
Okay.
Number 1, we have to make food together. Number 2, you mustn't smoke in the room. Number 3, we don't have to buy food in the morning. And the last, you must wash your clothes every day. All right.
Good job. Give applause for group 3. Thank you, group 3. Well done. Well done.
Yes, you're welcome, sir.
All right. The last group, group 4. We have Amin, Irfan, and Nurul. Please present your rules.
Number
1.
Number 1, we have to cook according to our own schedule.
Schedule.
Number 2, we don't have to fight schedule.
We don't have to what?
Number 2, we don't have to fight
Oh, wait.
between roommates.
Oh, wait. You say we don't have to fight?
We
So that
don't
means, wait. Nafis, wait. We don't have to fight means kita tidak perlu berkelahi,
yes.
bertengkar. So if we want to fight, we can. So if we want to fight, we can fight. It's optional. Correct?
Amin, please help me. Amin.
So if we want to fight, we can.
Change the sentence.
Oh, fight with game, Raden?
We don't have to borrow money.
Yeah. That's right. I think the correct one, yang benar, we mustn't fight. Okay. The correct one is we mustn't fight. Okay, that's the correct one. Because if you say we don't have to fight, it means it's optional. It means you can if you want. And why do you want to fight, right? It's not good. So we mustn't fight. Okay, Irfan? All right. Okay, continue. What's next?
Amin, please. Amin.
Last, you must, we must manage for financial wisely.
We must
manage our finances wisely.
wisely. That's right.
Wisely.
And bijak. Very good. That's it. That's it. Is that it?
Sir.
That's it. That's it, man. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Good job. Give applause for group 4, everybody. Okay, so that's our lesson for today, guys. So what did we learn today?
We learn more.
Should. We learn should.
Learn about should.
Shouldn't.
Must.
Must.
Have to.
Have
Must.
Don't have.
So what is
Don't have to.
Done.
Be quiet, please.
what is the function of what is the function of should? When do we use should? To talk about what?
When we give someone advice.
Very good. We talk about something good to do, yeah? And what about have to? When do we use have to?
In past.
Masa lampau.
Have to or has to.
From external obligation.
That's right. Talk about obligation from external people or situation. Okay, that's it. Now listen to your name. I will check the attendance, okay?
Okay, sir.
Anissa. Rizkia Artanti.
I'm here.
Ihsanul. Okay, Anissa. Ihsanul Amin.
Present, sir.
Irfan Nafis. Muhammad Misran.
Present, sir.
Muhammad Yusuf. Rusma Sipti. Saufi.
Always present, sir.
Hafiz.
I'm here, sir.
Nur Rahmi. Nurul Makfira. Raden Kaisti.
Present, sir.
Ahmad Fuadi.
Kepalanya ya.
Ya.
Arbaina. Jimmy.
I'm here, sir.
Hairul Anwar.
Present, sir.
Muhammad Afan.
Present, sir.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Keep up the
Thank you,
spirit
sir.
and have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow,
Very
tomorrow,
much,
sir.
sir.
Tomorrow, guys.
Tomorrow.